It's Tuesday afternoon. It's raining out here. This is going to be a combined chore thing, I believe, because I'm going to go collect eggs, and then I'm going to put the animals to bed because it's about 7 o'clock, 7:10, and yeah, it has been a kind of a weird day. I got distracted. I couldn't come out and do the eggs separately, and then we've got some chaos in the barn. I evidently did not leave a carabiner attached, and the goats broke into the main barn, and so Carolyn said she went in there and found them in there, having the time of their lives in the barn. And so I'm going to come out and see kind of what the lay of the land is here in the barn, and what I'm going to have to do to put it back together. Yeah, how you doing? She said to brace myself. Huh. Well, okay, let's see. What are things that are immediately broken that I can tell? Yeah. This is the chaos of leaving a carabiner off. Oh my goodness. Well, I've got a horrible mess. Let's start by plugging in the light. Let's turn the lights back on and see what else we've got. So we've got this mess here. It's maybe not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay. I think while I'm cleaning through the mess a little bit, we may have a video that we can look at of them doing their thing. I believe that, yeah, we've got them coming in here, and the gate is openish, and then they're all in, and the party begins. And oh my, how long were they in there? Okay. Now we're coming back to me. Well, surprisingly, not that bad. Could have been much worse. They had several hours to come in here and play. And most everything is intact. I'm sure I'll find some damage that I don't anticipate. Of course, there's goat poop all over everything. They got into this bag of feed, but they didn't get into those bags of feed. That's kind of good. All things considered, not too much damage. I think I'll say I got off lucky there. See, they found my animal crackers. Ate the rest of those. That's kind of the secret weapon from our goats and sheep. They love some animal crackers. And the hay is surprisingly intact. And looking at it, I might have expected it to be far more beat up and eaten. Mostly it was the wool that was in the bags here that looks like they did a fair dance number on top of. Okay, well, let's see what we can do with egg collection routine. Let's see, I think I've got some duck eggs up here, right? I got 4 up there. Looks like they made it through. This was where I had the animal crackers. Surprisingly, not too bad. All right. So what I need, some egg buckets. I think I've got those up here at the house. I don't think I have any out here at all. There's just a ton of them that I have not carried out yet. Stand by. Oh, here's some right up here at the top of the ramp. This will at least do for today. I want 3. I got 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. And it's not raining real hard right now, so I bet there's going to be a bunch of chickens out there. Probably. We'll see. Haven't seen Kevin yet. Haven't heard Kevin yet. That's always just such a fun question of where's Kevin going to be? A little goopy out here. I like a couple of chickens who are interested. Let me see if I've got any takers. Should I try and give them a scratch? Oh, looks like I'm getting a little audience. Okay. Why not? We'll give Chim Bop a little scratch. It is, after all, part of the routine. So I would hate to disappoint. No goats. I doubt we're going to see goats. Honestly, it doesn't look like we're going to see any chickens. You guys want some scratch? Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. I can tell a lot of them have already gone to bed, and I didn't get any goats. Oh, what a difference a rainy day makes, huh? Oh, I got one goat. I got little Gwenny. Okay, Gwen. Since you made the effort to show up. There you go. There's a little something to work off. Share it with the chickens. And the ducks. It's a bit of a swamp back here. Okay. Well, that's a dirty bucket. Hopefully I've got a gin pop chicken here. In the chicken manor area. It's a leghorn, though. They fly. No problem. So I'm not going to worry about trying to get her back home. She'll find her own way. Oh, what a day. Sometimes, no matter what plans you make, it just turns out a little different. Watch out, chicken. No escaping. All right. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Some of you have already gone to bed. That's probably going to make a lovely mess to get eggs. Let me at least go back here and get the first few back here. Then we'll jump over to the hat cam and check into Chicken Manor. Hey, we got 5 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll go back to the back wall. And back here we've got, surprise, surprise, 2, making 6, 7. And let me check over here. Chill out, chicken. Okay. The whole thing failed to follow me again. Womp womp. I think the new toy will be here tomorrow. We'll see. Right now, let's go ahead and pause, and I will swap for the hat cam. Okay, we're back. I've got the hat clip on the GoPro camera. Chicken's making a fuss of things. I brought the lights for collection. You ready? Chicken light! Okay. And we are going to twist this around, clip it onto the front of the hat, and that means we are egg collecting ready. Get rid of this thing. You may have seen your last appearance on the old chicken thing. I wonder what they'll think. Maybe I should wipe it off before I do the return, huh? It was a great idea. Just the wrong tool for the job. All right. We can leave that out here while I go in there. Like that. And a dirty bucket. What a catch. And we are at 7 eggs right now. in Chicken Manor. Everything's a little gross today. Gross today. Gross today. I wonder if we're going to find any eggs I don't have to wash. Anything I can just dip. How are you going to bed? I'd like to put in a request to not have my shirt adorned with any decoration. 8. I'm going to decorate it myself. 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. Yeah, really? All right. Ugh. 17, 18. 19, 20. 21, 22. 23, 24. 25, 26. 27, 28. We're just going to wash. $29, 30. Oh, you're all upset? We might have a cleanish one up here. It's drier. $31, 32. 33, 34, 35. So first one I'd call reasonable. 36. 37, 38. 39, 40. 41. 'It's not bad. 41. What you got? 42, 43. 44, 45. it. 45 with one broken. Okay, 45 with one broken and not many clean. Good night, chickens. Oh, yeah. You don't live here. Come on with me. Come on, Chicky, Chicky. Ooh, slippery. Definitely should have worn the gross boots. Trying to hide my cleaner ones underneath. I'm not sure it'll do much good. Yeah, I know y'all want to go to bed. It's confusing, isn't it? You can go in there, but I'm coming in too. That'll be a little weird. Oh, what a crowd we have for Egg Collect, including Kevin on high. How are y'all doing, everybody? We're going to do this as quick as I can. All right. And we're going to start with this one, which is broken. And 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, Broody Bunch. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And scissor. 14, 15, 16, 17. Nicely done. That one's broken. $18, $19. 19 from half the twins. 20, 21, 22. I think he had one more. 23, 24. Nice. Ow. 25, 26, 27. Is that it? We're at 27. Okay, let's move all this out here. We're at 27 right there. Okay. Let's check for anything on the ground. Hello, duck. Okay. So we'll make that 30 chicken with this 3 and another duck. And we're out. Whew. Hi, everybody. I would have stopped it. Bet I could kick you guys out. We'll do that here in just a second. Let's see if I can see any eggs back here. 1, 31. All right, darling. Let's have the fight. 31. 32, 33. 34, 35. 36, 37. Is that it? Thank you, sweetie. $37. But you up there, I gotta find out what's going on up there. What you doing? You're wet. I'm leaving the rotisserie chicken, but you gotta go to bed. How you doing? There you go. Get up there. Okay, then we've got 4 duck. Duck is 5. Gen pop. Chicken is 37. Oh, I saw a broken one. Juvenile in there was 45 with 1 broken. So I'm going to put in 1 broken for today. Oh, actually, no, I saw a second one. Maybe even a third. I know 3 were broken. Okay. 4. Okay. Submit. Boom. That is recorded. And now, just that quick, we're going to roll into bedtime. Aren't we? And I'm going to decide whether I'm going to post this as 1 or 2 videos. But, okay. So let's just move forward. Yeah. Let's go just check and make sure. After everybody's excitement today, huh? Did you guys have such an exciting time? Hi, Cece. Did you get in here and get to steal some hay and run around? And eat some of the hay pellets? Yeah? Was that yummy? Okay, we got a duck trap back here. It'd be easier to get to bed with all the goats and sheep put away. So let's take care of that, as long as I'm out here, though. Let's take a look under here. Ah, look, a duck egg. Oh, that's a heck of a reach, though. Here you go. So you can see what I see. This is a tractor tire. Here we go. Yeah. So now that's me having to reach back under there to get it. I got it. Cece, do you think you need to help me? Well, this trip was worth it. About back under there. I don't see anything. What about back under there? Don't see anything. Okay. So, we've added a duck egg to that count. duck back here. I see a bunny rabbit, but I don't see a duck, but I could have sworn I heard a duck back here. I don't see it, Cece. Up there, yes, but not back here. Okay. Well, I will attribute that to hearing things. All right, troublemakers, out of the barn. Everybody, out of the barn. Out of the barn. It is not raining, and you've had enough time to be inside the barn today. And you'll come back in just a moment, but right now, give me a moment of peace. Go on, all the way out there, buddy boy. All the way out. All the way. Arr. Well, after all of this, which was yet another problem of my own making, let's go back to the eggs and add one more for duck. One and submit. Okay. But oh my, this is a big old ugly problem of my own making. Glad they didn't get in here. Got the grain before I actually went around and cleaned out the bowls. So let me set the grain down. Hello, everybody. Let's go take care of moms and babies before I let in the rest of the herd. That'll make them happy. I feel like it. right, everybody, back it up. How messy are your pools? What about this one over here? See, that one needs some clean out too. Oh, I thought it did. Not much. Just a little. Why, look, it's got goats in it. What about that one? Definitely needs clean out. Again, it's got a goat in it. It's so much harder to clean out with a full-on goat in it. Wow, nice move. That's really good. You want to try that again? Okay, now I've got moms and babies done. Now it's time to let in the herd. Then we're going to go round up some wayward ducks. Hello, everybody. Oops, I forgot to get that gate over on this side. Oh, I forgot to put some in that one, huh? Get out of there. I just full on forgot both sides over there, huh? Well, good luck then. It's the same amount of food, just harder to get to. Ha ha! Bit of an unusual day for everybody. Carabiner in place. All right. Now let's go see. What stuck ducks we've got. Good night, chicken. My rotisserie, who needs a name. So we got one sneaking a drink. Did everybody make it over? No ducks left behind. Looks like everybody got in. All right, everybody, good job. I'm happy for you. Well done on getting to bed. Who's on the door? I have one door sitter. Off there. Up there. I'm playing with your toes. Good night, Kevin. She's way up tall. She doesn't feel like talking. Don't blame her. Okay, we're still going to keep our eyes open for any potential wayward critters out here. Just for fun, we'll check under these chicken teepees. That's the first time I have done a combined egg collect and bedtime. Certainly since it's been on video. I'm usually not that late for egg collect. But it does work. Hello, bunny. The wreckage of my timer is still in view. And now it's not raining. It was raining lightly when I came out here. I should probably make sure I turn off the irrigation. I think all of the planters have probably got enough water. Ooh. Nice save, huh? Thank you. Thank you very much. Make that an Olympic event, mudsliding. Nobody, okay. Everybody's in bed out here too. Good. That's just what I wanted. Well, okay. I honestly think I'm going to post this whole darn thing as one big long thing, because that's how it went. And you know what? I make chapters, so you can skip ahead if you don't want to see it. But that's how it went, so kind of seems like that's how I should post it. Oh, yeah. Carolyn let the goats and sheep in here today, too, because they were yelling, and she thought they needed to come in here and eat some plants. So she let him back here. I actually did a pretty nice job mowing. Little did we know they were also dining on hay in the barn, but hey, what the hell. Maybe this stopped them from doing more damage in the barn. Whew. I think that's it. That was a chore run, bigger than most. And if you made it to the end with me, thank you. I'm impressed. I appreciate you coming along for the effort. So with that, I'll say good night, and we will see you again for some more chores tomorrow.